you ready to up your shooting game? One of the first pieces of bling that you're going to want to add to your gat is going to be a red dot. From faster target acquisition to aging eyes, a red dot solves quite a few problems caused by traditional fixed sights. But make sure to stick around because I'm going to help you understand why this is better than these and why you should get one. But before we do that, I want to answer the question that you might be asking yourself. Who is this guy and why should I listen to him? Well, to answer your question, let me tell you in the form of a quick story. Hi, I'm Parker, and this is Range Rulerz. I started this channel because I wanted to help people who are new to firearms to start training and improve their skills so that they could be better protectors of themselves and the people that they love. No, I was never in the military, nor was I a cop. However, I've always had a passion for firearms even since I was a young kid. Now since I'm in my 20s, I've been able to invest a lot into my education as well as my arsenal. I'm not a qualified instructor, but I love to teach. I don't compete professionally, but I compete against myself because I'm always trying to improve my skills. I don't claim to be a professional, but I do believe I'm an exceptional shooter, and this is why I'm here, to help you believe that you don't need a formal military or law enforcement training to become a good shooter. Now that I've answered that burning question, here's why you should buy a red dot. So, red dots allow for faster target acquisition over traditional iron sights. I noticed a rapid improvement whenever I switched from iron sights over to a red dot. And I remember I was telling everybody and their cousin that I could never go back. Now, it's not to say that iron sights are garbage and you should never use them, but it's to help you understand that there is a learning curve attached to these and it would be very beneficial for you to at least try it out and expand your skill set. But like I've said before, here at Range Rulerz, we are trying to become above average shooters. We want to try new things and grow. And by the way, if you're interested in my Glock 19 setup, I have review videos on both the optic and the light, and I'll have those links in the description below so you can check those out. Or if you're like, nah Parker, I trust you, and you want to go ahead and pick one of these puppies up today, I have those links for you down in the description below as well. And as a quick recommendation, if you're in the market for a red dot, I would highly recommend the HoloSun 507C. You're going to pay a little extra coin for it, but trust me, it's worth it. So the next reason red dots are great is if you're having issues focusing on your target with your regular iron sights. So as you already know, whenever you shoot with fixed sights, your eyes have to focus on your target while they filter through all of this stuff. With a red dot, it's almost just as easy as point and shoot, homie. And now with a red dot, there's an additional learning curve that you're going to have to adapt to, and that's how to find the red dot every time. And to learn how to do that, you can watch that video here.